Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Royal Jo, and tonight I'll be unboxing this package that I received yesterday. Actually, matagal ko na siyang inaantay at inaabangan. So, it came from Maison Glademir. So, let's start unboxing. And then tape. Para masyadong safe na safe. There. There you go. So, what's inside? Let's see what's inside. Parang yes, this is so cute. Another box inside. So actually, Maison Glademir is owned by my friend, si Glademir Echavarre. So she's a great designer. She's from Pangasinan, sa Ordaneta. And I think this box is so beautiful. So classy. So this another box, and this one is made by Studio 5, owned by Ate TJ, Canonizado, and Kuya Dennis. So yung mga taga Ordaneta, kung gustong magpagawa ng mga box, packaging, and everything, you wanna print something, so visit Studio 5. I think located sila sa SM Ordaneta. So, let's do this. So, there. Yes, it's so nice. What's inside? Paano kayo niya? There. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan. Wow. There's a care card, care instruction from Maison Masque. And here we go. So, alam niyo na. So, it's a mask. Couture na mask. Dami na balot. Ang daming tape. And sticker. Here. Oh, it's so nice. So beautiful. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Ang bango pa. It's so classy. No? Bagay siya sa, sa pajamas na pantulog ko ngayon. My God, it's so nice. It fits my face. Hindi siya sobrang luwang. It's like it was measured exactly sa face mo. Sa face ko. Oh, here's my cat. Hi! Sobrang ganda, parang ayoko nang tanggalin. Thank you, Glademir, sa sobrang napakagandang mask. It's so classy. Thank you, Maison Glademir, and to everyone behind this beautiful, classy, chic mask. Okay, so there you go. That's the box. This is the mask. Tanggalin ko muna. This is part of her first collection. So magkakaroon na siya ng second collection. Just follow her on Facebook. It's Maison Glademir, Glademir Echavarre, to find out kung kailan yung next release or launch ng second collection niya. Kasi nasusold out, kaya abangan nyo. Okay? Thank you. This is so cute. This is so classy. There. Ang bango pa. Bling bling. So kikay. So everyone, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Bye! Good night!